In this lesson, I'm going to show you what both the calendar owner and the person scheduling time with the calendar owner see after they interact with the site. So the first thing that happens is the person wanting to set an appointment visits the website. They fill out a form, and we have it set up so that we immediately notify the calendar owner via an Infusionsoft web form notification. So the form itself can send out a message, and we make sure that goes out because it's activity that the the person probably wants to see. Now, what I did was I signed up as this person, Jackie. Jackie Test is her last name. And she set an appointment. So this is a message that goes out from AppointmentCore. It goes out to the owner of the calendar. We only turn on the internal messages that go out from AppointmentCore because they end up being pretty informative. They're the right ones to see. We use Infusionsoft for all communication with the client. So they see this. The minute they see this, it means that there should be a calendar on the 21st at 10:45 for this. So I'm going to go to the calendar here, and I'll go to the 21st, and you can see that at 10:45 there's a message, and this message here has all the information you need. I'm going to just do edit in the calendar. It'll be easy to see this. So we provide the information for the phone number you're going to call and the email that that they can use to call. Now, I'm going to switch gears here, and I'm going to go and show you what the person working with setting up the time, saw. So here I am. I'm Jackie. I filled this out, and notice that I've got these 3 links. Now, I could have used this one. I've used Google Calendar to put it on my calendar, but I haven't. So if you look at my calendar, here we are on the 21st, there's nothing going on. I would venture to say that most people don't use this. They're in a hurry and they just never get around to it. If they did, I'll go like that. I hit a save, and now on my calendar at 10:45 I have a meeting. So it's there. Now the other thing that they would have seen is an email. So they filled out the Contact Us form. They got this message. They clicked on this schedule time to set up an appointment. And they got this confirmation email. Now, this is a confirmation email that comes from Infusionsoft. This one shows the details of the meeting. It doesn't send them a calendar link of any sort because they had that on the previous one. But this is information. If they do a search, it's like, gosh, I wonder which day my meeting was. They can go in here and all the details are here. We also provide them a link here so that if they do want to cancel and reschedule, they can go like this and reschedule or cancel. I'm not going to do that. So that information is there. Now, what I recommend is that the calendar owner go and copy this to here. And so it's one more confirmation. You send out a message. And now, if I go back to my calendar as Jackie, I'm going to get a notification. So, hey, Jim invited me to this meeting. So it's kind of nice to say, hey, look, there's, maybe this is automated, but someone's over there. And I can go like this, and I can click on the yes. And now I, as the calendar owner, get yet another message. So, you kind of get a feel for how connected they are to wanting to meet. So if I click here as the, let's see. So here I am as the Jackie there. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, maybe there's a delay in there. So here I am, I'm with Jackie. I'm not sure. Hold on. So I'm going to go back to the calendar owners. Okay, looks like there's some sort of a delay. But the minute I come up and I do that save as, you know, I commit to it as Jackie, then I should be in a, that should be showing up on your calendar. I think there's just a delay here in the notifications going out. So that's the interaction that you have between the calendar owner and the person scheduling time. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how we've implemented this both in AppointmentCore and in Infusionsoft.